видно? Хорошо. Привет! Меня зовут Лера. Сегодня зима. Солнце. Нет. Конечно, самая жаркая творится там. Пойдемте на супер батл. Первые батлы для начинающих по брейк-дансу проводятся именно здесь, от Kinder Jam. Зимние, жаркие, твои.
For the day when I couldn't get paid in the fix on the mix in the damn projects. Cracks for the blacks, but I couldn't sell that, even though blacks couldn't get jobs and shit. Hit after hit from the Sugar Hill Gang, here a pow wow, here a big bang bang. It was strange, I was broke, but I still got the record, even though I was broke and about butt naked. Rats in my front room, roaches in the back, junkies in the alley running cell for the crack. It was ill on the real, I be still bugging off it in the ways I was walking. So today I could talk. It's a shame how the games in the ghetto get played on the crack. Some paid for the tricks they laid. I'm afraid for the youth in this time we're living in. Just about 13 on the scene, scrambling, gambling, small time. Apologize, dice, I'm about to roll 10 sevens for the crap I rolled twice. Rough business, it's a rich man time. When you ain't got the loot, you resort to the crime. From the cess house, the youth house, the jar house, the coach house, where I perfected these skills I'll be dogging. Love to teach the facts, but the brothers in the back can't see what I'm saying, cause the blood smoke's fogging. Still I proceed with degrees of the wisdom, cause this shit's thick, it kicks and I know it. Little do you know there's a God in soul, born just like Christ in a damn ghetto. Bouncing guitar, all of the people say ghetto winner. Words of a God say bouncing guitar, all of the people say ghetto winner. Words of a God say bouncing guitar, all of the people say ghetto winner. Words of a God it is bouncing guitar, all of the people say.
Не думайте здесь, что мало народу. Да, зал редеет, но остались самые сильные, самые жесткие ребята.
From ghetto to ghetto, from project to project. Book bag of lessons, but I ain't have dough yet. From knowledge to wisdom, from wisdom to see.